Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a bunk bed room in Heartopia. So I just placed 8 tiles on the floor here. Make sure you have colored in the ceilings. Then we are going to use a low wall here. And then I think I'm just going to color that later on because I'm still indecisive on the wallpaper itself. And I'm just going to put one here, and I'm going to place one here as well for the walls later. I might do more tiles actually, but let's see where this goes. And then we're just going to put some half walls here, and then some half walls here as well. Then some more half walls at the end, and we're going to use more low walls for the top of these because the height is a little bit weird. And just going to use that. And now we are going to place some walls in the middle here. So I'm just going to place one here, and then another low wall here, and then I'm going to add a half wall here and another one here. But for this one, I'm just going to move one half wall up and then another one up. So don't move this one up. All right, and then we're just going to add the last of the low wall up here to make the height the same. Then I'm just going to grab a floor from here, and we're just going to then make just like a floor like so. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to grab another floor here, and we're going to place this floor on this wall here. And we're going to add the joinery cabinets to it. If I can just find it. Okay, here we go. And I'm just going to place it here. I'm going for a pink and white theme, so color your cabinets the same. Then we're going to get some stairs. Again, I'm going to color that the same as the rest. Maybe I want this one to be pink and then white, like so. Okay, maybe I don't like that. It doesn't blend with the wall that well. So I'm just going to do this. And I think I'm going to change this as well. But you can adjust it yourself to your liking, of course. And then this is where we are going to place our beds. So I'm just going to turn it around, and I'm just going to place it at the corner. And I'm also going to add a window to it. I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to add it here. Make sure the trimming is also the same color, and I'm going to add one down here as well. And then you can also add a desk you have, or I think I'm just going to add the one that I already have, which is the book writing desk, because it's been decorated already. But you can add your own stuff here. And then this is where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to decorate some stuff and hopefully make it a little bit less plain. And I'll be right back with the finished results. And this is the final results of the bunk bed. You can obviously decorate it however you'd like, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!